light. It is T&Z College. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix all mobile which has wrong firmware or having firmware with problem. We have Tecno C8. They display a half of screen, so we're going to look the problem. How to fix this problem is to change firmware, but before changing firmware I'm gonna show you how it display and how to fix. It is T&Z College. Subscribe now on our channel in order to get our new videos. Don't forget to comment. It's not display full, then so the end of the screen is here. There are blue screen, not blue, dark screen show as like one hand. So we're going to power off our phone. You see, power off. Then we connect to PC. Thanks for your support, T&Z College. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix. So first of all, we needed to go to Miracle Sander. Even if you have a file or firmware, we have there. So we can use Miracle Sander or SP. So I'm going to use SP. First of all, I need to extract file. After extract, the file appear. Use SP firmware. There are scatter here. So I'm going to open SP Flash Tools. Application unable to connect. So I'm going to delete my SP Flash Tool. Then I extract again. After open, choose scatter. I'm going to choose scatter. Then I find where is my scatter. Desktop, Tecno C8. I'm going to firmware, Android scatter, open. Then I'm going to click on download. Download. Make sure your phone is power off. Then install USB. Install USB in your phone. So start. You're going to wait. Flashing percentage, 2%. So you're going to wait until you get it done. There are blue logos will appear, which is present done, or blue tick. So you're going to wait. For more videos, please subscribe on our channel. Then comment if you like the video and the like in the description. We have a blog in the description. You can get a link. Thanks for your support. It is T&Z College. We're going to wait until finish. So we have to wait. $99.00. Thanks for your support. It is T&Z College. Now we are done, so I'm going to power on my phone. It is T&Z College. Going to power on my phone after flash. Tecno, powered by Android. English next. Thanks for your support. It is T&Z College. Subscribe now in the channel to get more videos. Thanks.